Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube vlog. My name is Jesse and this is basically where I'm at. This is Bungoma County, Kenya. Bungoma County. This is where I stay. We have some green, maybe you can say it's a green, a leafy suburb. At the backyard we're having a chicken coop. We're trying to construct a chicken coop. Maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow, we'll have to bring in the chicken. This is the first. This is the first section, and another section is here. The other door is over here. Michael, say hi. That is Michael, the blackest man in Eastern Central Africa. Yeah, we're trying to make the chicken coop. So this is a door. Though I've just tried to make it with the leftovers. I'm not sure. This is a MDF board. But the MDF board, sometimes when it's rained on, it gets destroyed. So I need to get a better one. Yeah. Michael. Hii inaweza beba kuku ngapi? 100. Michael says that this house can accommodate 100 chicken. Or 150. I'm not sure if his math will math. There are two sections, this place and the other one. So let's see if it can carry. But Michael, are you a chicken? Oh, you want to cover here, this place? Ah, okay. Oh, that's nice. The other side? Oh, it's the mesh, chicken mesh is up already. Very nice, very interesting. But the mesh should be here as well. This side. So Michael is saying that he wants to cover this place with the chicken mesh, chicken wire. Here at the wire mesh, he's adding it on top to be more safe. Yeah, that's it. Initially, the plan was that this chicken coop should be having two compartments, the upper one and the lower one, but the design, Michael's design did not work out well. Michael's design didn't work out well, so we had to change the plan. But we had to have at least the first floor and the ground floor. But who is Michael? He lied. This is the backyard of the house. That is braving, trying to make things okay. This is an empty house. I'll take a tour of it later on. Yeah, the house is under an avocado tree. That's the avocado tree. I just hope the security here at this place will be okay for the chicken. Then later on we'll get rid of all this dirt here. We'll get rid of them. We take them elsewhere. We do a very nice landscaping here. Michael said he can do the landscape. Let's see if he will actually do the right thing. There are some dogs that pass through here. There's somewhere here the dogs normally pass, and the cats. So I need to cover that place to prevent them from entering this place. Yes. I think basically that's it. Let's wait for tomorrow and see if I'll be able to get the if I'll be able to get the chicken. I think I'll need like five small ones and maybe 2 big ones that are about to lay eggs. Trying to keep kienyeji, the kienyeji chicken, and see if it will turn out, how it will turn out well. Putting best foot forward. Okay, thank you.